Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. Today we're going to offer information on how to care for your household plants. Now, I know household plants, yes, because as you can see, I have several plants in my YouTube space, and when you have plants, it provides great oxygen. So oxygen in a room helps you get clarity. And I need to be clear when I'm making these videos. So with that said, don't forget, if you see something you like, thumbs up and ring that bell. Subscribe, y'all. And without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. My YouTube friends, and as promised in the introduction, we are going to demonstrate how to care for your household plants and how to organize them. So I am no plant expert, but I have been working with plants for quite some time to know what I need to do to make sure they are at their healthiest. So we're going to dive right in and we're going to do what we got to do to make this happen. Sure that you select a plant that is conducive to your lifestyle. Otherwise, your plant may suffer and you may feel overwhelmed trying to take care of it. So I suggest that when you go plant shopping, make sure that you look at the information sticker that's on each plant, like this one. And I hope you can see that. But the information on these little tags basically tell you how often the plant needs to be watered, how fast it grows, what you need to do to maintain it. So with this one, it basically says that it's easy to grow, it needs quite a bit of sun, lots of sun, and it needs water. Make sure that you're watering it at least when you feel that the topsoil is dry, and that you have to provide food for it whenever it stipulates on here. So on this tag it says this plant needs to have food once a month. So you can get the general food for each plant, which I have a sample of right here, and it's not very expensive. This is indoor plant food. So this is specifically for plants that you house indoors. And you just take a little squirt. The directions are very easy. It tells you how much it needs per the size of the plant. So this is considered a small plant. So you just do one little squirt. So it has a flip cap and the cap flips over, and you just do one little squirt down by the base of the plant, and you just let it go and make sure you're watering it accordingly. The other thing you're going to need is definitely a watering container. You don't have to have this kind, but this is just the kind that I have. But you want to make sure that you're watering it according to this tag that is found in the plant. Now, just like with other things that we care for, you run into some problems sometimes. I noticed that my plant was struggling with gnats. I noticed there were gnats all around the plant and I couldn't figure out what was going on, and I knew that over a period of time, if I allowed that to get out of hand, then it would probably have a negative impact on the plant. So I went to a YouTube video just like this one, and I got some information from a plant expert who indicated that I would need to use a water bottle filled with Listerine, which is mouthwash, and a half Listerine and no, not half, I'm sorry, a quarter of the Listerine, and then the remainder would be your water, just regular tap water. And it suggests that you just spray around the plant and you may have to do it 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 times, and then over a period of time you'll see the gnats go away. Now there are other solutions that you can go on YouTube for if there are other problems that you're having with your plant. Maybe they're drying out awfully quickly, or you notice that there is some discoloration, or if you see another type of insect that's on the plant. You can go to YouTube and look up what you think might be going on, describe what you think might be going on, and then I promise you there will be a video out there that will help you determine what you need to do to ensure the health of your plant. I also needed to care for my plant by treating the leaves. For example, I noticed that I have some leaves, because this happens as we age. Things die out, they die off, they've reached their life expectancy, and then you have to take the necessary measures to ensure that the remainder of the plant stays healthy. So if I see a brown section like this one right here, I just get a little clip right down to the part that's healthy, and right here, and I just go throughout my plant and I go and just clip those little things off. If you see a leaf that's just really gone and it's dried out and there's no salvaging it, then you just clip it off, and it's just really an old leaf. That's all it is, just an old leaf that is dried out, and you don't want it to have a negative impact on the remainder of the plant. So if you take care of your plant, I promise you your plant will take care of you by providing additional oxygen in your space. So if you've learned something today, if you've seen one little thing that you like, as I always say, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. If you need more information about the items that I've shown you today, please feel free to leave your questions, comments, and concerns below.